Changing your legal name on Foundation Finance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Make sure these documents are official and clearly show your new legal name. Step 2. Log into your Foundation Finance account. Access your Foundation Finance account by visiting their website and logging in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 3. Navigate to the name change section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your name change requests. Fill out the required fields with your new legal name and upload the supporting documents you gathered earlier. Double-check all information for accuracy before submitting your request. Step 5. Confirm changes and follow up. After submitting your name change request, you should receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up requests from Foundation Finance. If you do not receive a response within a few days, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully change your legal name on Foundation Finance. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for help.